Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how you can install Windows 10 desktop on your VMware system. Okay, first of all you can download the evaluation version from this URL. Okay, so Windows has given 90-day evaluation ISO. You can download from this particular link. Okay, once you download this, you should get a download of approximately like Windows 10 5 GB. Okay, so once this is done, you can launch your VMware. Okay, so once you launch your virtual machine, you can say file, new virtual machine, and select this typical with the image of Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10, and say next. Microsoft Windows, this is approximately Windows 10. You can give something else also. Windows 10 64-bit. You can even download 32-bit also if you need. So here I'll store the location, I mean in SSD VM. I can select my Windows 10. Just say next. 60 GB is okay, or even you can have 40 GB also. And right, just say finish. Okay, so here you can change this adapter to edit. You can change to bridge rest all are okay. And once this is done, you can power on the system, power on the virtual machine. Process is very simple. Press any key, the installation should start. So typically the RAM can be approximately around 2 GB or more, which should run perfectly. So this is your welcome screen. Say next. Install now. Please accept the license. Say next. Go to custom and create the partition. Say apply, and it will default apply the all partitions as required. Say next, and the installation should start it. So here it will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes of time. So once the installation is done, it will go for a reboot, otherwise you can manually reboot. Hmm. Windows 10 has been successfully installed. We can verify. You say properties. You see this is the desktop. Okay, this is the device ID so and so. 2 GB of RAM. So if you want to rename this system, you can rename. I'll say sys1. You say next. After you it requires a restart. That's the end of installation. Okay, thank you.